Hi, welcome to the channel Techie Krish, and so I have been discussing the curriculum of CBSE, Computer Science, and Informatics Practices. So, in the same sequence of MCQs of CS and IP, today I am going to discuss the MCQs, expected MCQs on the databases. So, what are those MCQs? So, I am not wasting the time on this discussion, and I am going to the MCQs directly. And one thing I wanted to tell you that in the end of the video, I'll share the same questionnaire with you in the description box so that you can also practice it. So let's move to our sheet. So here this is sheet. Let me zoom a bit. The first question, which it says that RDBMS is. So what is RDBMS? This is a very simple question, and about it everyone knows, that is, this is a relational database management system. So option A is the correct option. Now next question is MCQ MySQL is a. Is it a database, relational database, RDBMS, or table? So I'll go with option C. This is RDBMS. Now third question is a relational database may contain multiple databases, relational databases, multiple tables, all of these. So multiple tables, multiple databases, and relational databases. So out of these, I'll go with option C, because a relational database may contain multiple tables. So I'll go with option C. Now next question is, the tables in relational database are always interrelated? Not necessarily. Must be interrelated? Not compulsory. May be interrelated? Yes, this could be. So are never interrelated? This is not correct answer. So I'll go with the C option. Now the fifth question is, a table is in a relational database always has a primary key? Not necessary. May have a primary key? This could be. Must have a primary key? This is not compulsory. Can be a primary key? Absurd answer. So I'll go with may have the primary key. I'll go with the B option. Question number 6. The primary key of a table can never have duplicate keys. This is the correct answer, so I'll go with A. So I'll not read further. I'll go with A. No duplicate, no null. So this is the answer. Now the question number 7. All the alternate keys of a relation are the candidate keys, right? Or primary keys. Primary key cannot be. Foreign key cannot be. Composite key cannot be. So A option is the suitable option. Question number 8. A primary key with multiple columns is called the composite key. A primary key with multiple columns cannot be a candidate key, cannot be an alternate key, cannot be a foreign key, but composite key it could be. So I'll go with option D. Now the question number 9, a table cannot have multiple primary keys. Question number 10, a table with multiple candidate keys may have the primary key. Yes, must have, not possible. May have multiple primary keys, but a table with multiple candidate keys may have primary key. A option is the correct option, so I'll go with option A. Question number 11, foreign key of a table must be the primary key of another table, because primary key of the same table not possible, but primary key of another table is the correct answer, so we'll go with B option. Question number 12, which of the following constant allows null but does not allow duplicate? So does not allow duplicate, primary key does not allow null also. So option A is not the correct answer. Option B, foreign key, because there are no two tables, not null. So allows null, so not null is not the correct answer. So the unique option is the correct answer. It could be the correct answer. So option D of question number 12 is the correct answer. Which of the following constants does not allow null but allows duplicate? So this is not null, obviously. Not null does not allow null value, but it can allow duplicates. Question number 14. Number of columns in a table is called length, domain, cardinality, or degree. So number of columns in a table is known as the degree. So I must go with option D. Question number 15. Number of the rows in a table is called length, no, domain, no, cardinality, yes, degree, no. So option C is the correct answer. Question number 16. Domain of a column is a key, no. Is a name, no. Is a table, no. Is a set, yes. So domain of a column is a set, so multiple columns. So number of columns, so number of values in particular column is called a set. So I'll go with option D. Now question number 17. If a table has 5 rows and 3 columns, then the degree is, so number of columns means the degree of the table. So if the table contains 3 columns, so degree will be 3. Option A is the correct answer. So question number 18 now. If a table has 5 rows and 3 columns, then its cardinality means total number of rows is known as a cardinality. So there are 5 rows, and that is why the cardinality should be 5. So I'll go with option B. Next question, a table contains data of 50 students of a column. The table has 6 columns. The roll numbers of the students are integers from 51 to 100. What is the degree of this table? So we should be sure that number of columns of a table is treated as the degree of the table. So we should go with 6 option B. So 6 is the degree of the table. So I should go with option B, and I'll definitely go with option B. A table contains data of 50 students of a class. The table has 6 columns. The roll numbers of these students are integers from 51 to 100. What is the kernelity of this table? So number of records in this table are 50, and that is why the kernelity of this table should be 50. So option A is the correct answer. So this is how we can solve the MCQs on database. And after this video, in the description box you'll find the MCQs which I have tried here. You can also try them. So we'll meet in the next video with some other concept and some other topic of computer science or informatics practices. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.